This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about liquor pour spouts, specifically these Bar Lux liquor pourers. We have the 1.5 ounce yellow plastic measured pourer, the 1.3 ounce clear plastic measured pourer, and finally the 1 ounce red plastic measured pourer. They're all 3 3/4 inches long by 1.5 inches wide, and you can see they feature these nice collars to screw them on and also the clear spout at the top. So these are ideal for accurate pours for your perfectly crafted cocktails. And you can see, in addition to the color coding, there's also the amount of liquor that these pour in milliliters on the side as well. They're going to be easy to spot. So these are fantastic for the color coding of your different alcohols, but that color also lets you know just how much that little spout is going to dispense. They're made of premium plastic, so they're also crack resistant and can really hold up to heavy use, especially in busy bars. They're meant to be used to pour liquor that's 40% alcohol by volume. So just keep in mind if you're using them with other things like liqueurs, juices, or syrups that may affect the accuracy of these pours. The ball bearings inside allow for a nice, smooth, easy pour of precise amounts of alcohol. And you want to remember to shake them just a little bit beforehand to make sure that those ball bearings aren't stuck and you get that nice measured pour. You also want to hold bottles at an angle of greater than 45 degrees to avoid any spills or messes. So these are great for any bar, lounge, or club, or just any establishment that serves mixed drinks.